Here's our super cute sheep, all dressed up and giving a curious look. It all kicked off with some easy peasy circles. Isn't that cool? We're geared up and unstoppable. Let's make some magic happen. Nothing's gonna stop us from being totally awesome. You've got the circle game down. Let's add one more shape to the mix and start crafting our totally adorable sheep. And what better way than adding some super cute eyes and a tiny and adorable snout? It's the secret formula for instant charm. Did you know that sheep have amazing memories? They can remember faces for years, even yours. So don't be surprised when this one waves hello every time it sees you. See how with just a few simple, awesome lines, our cute characters come into life. Now, let's make it even more adorable with some irresistible ears. Let's give our cute little sheep a style upgrade, with some awesome details to its body. It has to look just as fantastic as the head. I know you will make it awesome. In a sunny field, so calm and bright, a little sheep stands and enjoys the light. With curious eyes and a gentle gaze, it watches a butterfly's graceful ways. The sheep's eyes follow, with a curious gleam, captivated by the butterfly's fluttering dream. Now our pencil sketch is all set and neat. Let's trace with markers to make it complete. Look at that awesome looking sketch, you peepceptional peep. With these new marker lines, it's going to be even more jaw-droppingly awesome. What unique touches would you add to our sheep to make it extra special? Maybe some funky patterns, or a playful accessory. And I almost forgot, we didn't even give our little sheep a name yet. What would you call it? Now that we're nearing the finish line, let me know in the comments if you hit any bumps along the way. And hey, if you did, no worries, mistakes are like little art teachers. You can either turn them into something cool or learn from them. Remember, every scribble counts. You know what time it is? It's time for you to pick some colors for our little curious sheep. Open up your imagination and go wild with it. My colored version turned out amazing. Check it out. And guess what? You can find loads more free awesome videos like this at scribblepeeps.com. Bye.